Hi guys, this is Andy on the bike. Welcome to my video about how to install this tablet holder on your motorcycle. I will show you every steps, every necessary accessories which you need, and extra adapters if it's needed to install it perfectly on your bike. First, let's understand where we want to mount it. In this case, on this bike I have already a special RAM arm with the AMPS hole pattern. It's common for lots of navigation systems, so I adapted to my holder too. So in this video I will show how to install on this AMPS hole pattern plate. First you need to understand where you need to put it up or down a little bit, closer to you or closer to, let's say, the steering bar. In this case I have made two adapters. One is like center one, which is which you put on the back of the tablet holder. Why I use this adapter, it's because tablet is heavy, and sometimes when you rode on the heavy roads, like on the gravel roads or you drop your bike or you drive like on the heavy terrains, which is with the rocks, the tablet is shaking and all this force is on the center of the tablet. So to better spread this force around the tablet, I use this adapter which is closer to corners, to edges, so all this force which comes from tablet to holder is like spreaded equally, and with those adapters you can little bit move closer your holder if it's needed. Let's say if your windshield is interfering with the tablet, let's say you turn your steer and it somehow touches your windscreen, then with the adapter you can move it like 15 millimeters further to the driver, let's say. And there's two type adapters. One is like center one, and second one is with 30 millimeter vertical positioning. Let's say the center one, you if you know that okay, nothing interferes, your tablet is sitting perfectly in middle, you can turn your steering and there is no problems like on this bike, then it's enough with this center adapter. But if there is, let's say you want to position your tablet holder somewhere closer to windshield, then probably you need this adapter, which then you can move it even like 30 millimeters up or on the center, or if you turn around you can even get 30 millimeters down. So it's like 6 centimeters, 60 millimeters space where you can just move it up or down. First of all, I will show you on the center one, but idea is the same for this adapter. So we take 4 washers, we put here then we take 4 screws, M5 size, and we screw to the mount. Okay, so when we are secured this adapter, and you know that, okay, everything in the middle, perfect. We put another bigger washers on the farthest holes on the tablet. We take 16 millimeters M6 bolts and we screw in the corners of the adapter. And so after you have secured your holder to adapter, now you can take these caps. They came together with the tablet holder, and you can close the holes, which is useful. The rain cannot go, let's say, rain, or visually it looks better. Then you put your navigation tablet, take the key, unlock it, and you're ready to go. So yeah, this is how easy it could be done. Some extra tips. Let's say you want your tablet holder closer to you because there is something which interferes with the tablet holder. Then you can take these three like spacers I made specially, and you can put between your mount arm and the tablet adapter. It's like every plate is 5 millimeters, and totally you can like to get 15 millimeters space if you need to move it like a little bit closer to you, farther from some objects which are interfering with your navigation holder. Idea is you put, let's say you need two of them, 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. You add to adapter and put it, and again take longer screw and secure to your arm. Yeah, now it's a little bit closer. If you, let's say, need 3, you take 1 extra, just add it, and now you have 15 millimeters closer. So this is the way how you can move it a little bit deeper or farther or closer to you. Now you just mount it in the right position and you are ready to go. Easy like that. Cheers. Bye.